morning, everyone. We're gonna do a cold start on my 1996 Ford 7.3 Power Stroke diesel. It has not been plugged in all night. It's about 14 degrees right now. I don't know why I'm in a t-shirt. Oh yeah. Today I'm taking you guys snow machining. This is my second day snow machining of the season. It's going to be all time. Powder's super deep.
None of us are actually stuck.
No. Let's go. We're all filled up. We're out of here. It's supposed to be a blue day out, but there is this crazy thick ice fog. Hopefully it burns off so we can see where we're going. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we just came from sea level down there and we're gaining altitude, and look at that sky clearing up. Woo, man, it's gonna be a beautiful day out there. My favorite part is my cabin in Alaska is a 20-minute drive away to Snow Machine right here. Freaking sweet. We're here, Turney parking lot. That's Jeff. He's one of my oldest buddies up here. Old time whitewater kayaking buddy. Anyway, we're gonna ride. Let's go. Here we go.
I think we're just gonna beat it up to the top.
Sounds good.
Take one off. Beautiful, man. That's what I look for.
We just had 3 snowstorms in a row. Each one dropped about 1.5 feet of snow. This whole area just opened up to snow machining about 2 days ago. It's already getting tracked pretty quick. This way, huh?
Yeah, maybe over there.
It's on that 146. Just sinking it. Hopefully there's not one more hole like right there. Whoa, nice. We're trying to get to this new creek over here. You've never driven a sled before. This is not easy stuff to drive it through. Holy. That's where we need to get the bench.
Yeah, right there. Right, see this tree?
Yeah, it's been like probably 2 years. $146. You gotta stay behind. Yep. That's why you stay far back from that kid. That's ready. There's just no base to the snow, so we're just sinking. Sending it in the air.
Why are you sitting around? You're supposed to be riding.
This fucking guy.
None of us are actually stuck.
Yeah, we're good, bro.
How did that work out?
dig it out a little more.
I spoke too soon when I said none of us were stuck.
Yep. I had a feeling this
Only
pretty.
146 isn't stuck.
First stuck of the year. He's got it, come on. Oh, he set off his avalanche airbag.
I got it.
1, 2. This should be enough to get her.
Oh no.
1, 2, 3. Thank you, buddy. All right. Not a bad. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, baby.
All right, that's a wrap, y'all. We're out of here. Awesome day. I'm exhausted, but the season's just getting started. So make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these winter adventures. And we'll keep it going. Peace, y'all.